Here are some great small business ideas for students who want to earn extra money. 1. Fake jewelry box. 2. Punch needle collection. 3. Scrunchies. 3. Cute phone holder. 4. Fluffy slime. 5. Phone cases. 6. Cute gift box. 7. Bookmark. 8. Matcha kits. 9. Customized nails. 10. Bath bombs. 11. Headphone organizers. 12. Pocket-sized notebooks. 13. Pen holder. 14. Mini painting canvas. 15. Portable toothbrush holders. 16. Mini Bluetooth soundbox. 17. Earrings. 18. Customized stickers. 19. DIY mugs. 20. Mini homemade bags. 21. Travel-sized perfumes. 22. Small batch jams or honey. Thanks for watching.